yesterday we have already seen our simple present tense. Now, when do we use simple present tense? Who can tell me? When do we use simple present tense?
Daily routine.
Exactly. We use simple present tense for routine. It can be daily routine, it can be monthly routine, it can be weekly routine, it can be yearly routine. So it can be anything. So we use especially सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस फॉर रूटीन. रूटीन मतलब ये नहीं, जब कोई चीज एक्शन बार बार होता है उसको हम लोग रूटीन बोलते हैं. उसके लिए हम लोग क्या यूज करेंगे? सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस. नाउ सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस, अ फॉर्मूला इज देयर. वी हैव 7 pronouns in English. Listen to me carefully, okay, Guddu? We have 7 pronouns in English. Those are what? I, he, she, it, you, we, and they. We have 7 pronouns in English. I, he, she, it, you, we, and they. Now, in which we have some singular pronouns and some we have plural pronouns. For example, he, she, it, singular pronouns are there. You, we, they, plural pronouns. And exceptionally, I is also plural considered in this tense. Okay? So we have I, he, she, it, you, we, and they. 7 pronouns are there, in which singular pronouns are there. So whenever you are making sentences with singular pronouns, you have to put there s or es in the verb. For example, he, she, it, verb plus s or es. While making sentences with he, she, it, verb plus s or es. For example, he come will become comes. He comes to the garden. Next, she go will become goes. She goes to class. It fly will become flies. It flies in the sky. So he, she, it, verb plus s or es. And while making sentences with I, you, we, they, verb plus no s, no es. Verb plus no s, no es. For example, I, you, we, they, verb plus no s, no es. For example, here, I come to college. Come is the verb, no s, no es. You go to class. Go is the verb plus no s, no es. It is the rule. ये उसका रूल है. वो क्यों नहीं है उसके अंदर अपन कुछ नहीं बोल सकते. वो रूल है उसका, that while making sentences with I, you, we, they, we don't have to put s or es in the verb. And while making sentences with he, she, it, we have to put their s or es in the verb. क्योंकि उन लोग को बताना है ना, ये सिंगुलर है और ये प्लूरल है. ये सिंगुलर है और ये प्लूरल है. Okay? Same case. So I come to college. Come is verb. So verb plus no s, no es. You go to class. Go is verb. Verb plus no s, no es. We learn English. Learn is verb. No s or no es in the verb. They play cricket. They play cricket. Play is the verb. Verb plus no s, no es. So we use simple present tense for routine, and now we are going to make sentences with it. All right. So I go to college. They go to college. You fly in the sky. We come to class. They smile at me. I speak to them. We do work together. They dance together. They go for parties. Okay? So this is what simple present tense. He comes to college. She teaches English. Now I'm making sentences with she. She plus verb. Verb is there, teach. Verb plus s or es. Yes or no? So she teach will become
He
she.
teaches.
Teach.
Correct. She teaches. It will be she teaches. वहां पे es लगेगा. Why es only?
Hissing sound.
Correct. Exactly. Hissing sound. She teaches mathematics. Teach, the word teach is ending with ch, 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 ch sound. And for whenever the word is ending with hissing sounds, plural will be ending with es. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So very simple it is. She teaches mathematics. He
Sir.
teaches English. Yeah.
सर कल आपने एक सेंटेंस बनाया था, आई विल बीट अमेरिका. सर वहां पे अपन उड़ नहीं लगा सकते क्या?
लगा सकते हैं ना.
बीट.
एग्जैक्टली लगा सकते हैं. कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं, लगा सकते हैं. वो अपना भी आगे आने वाला है सब. वो will, would, is, are, can, could, would, should, shall, should, वो सब अपना भी होने वाला है. Okay guys, so this is it. So simple present tense. I want you to make sentences now only with I. Make sentences with I. I के साथ में sentence बनाओ भाई, जल्दी जल्दी चलो.
I play
I के
cricket.
साथ में sentence बनाओ.
I go
Very
to
good. I
party.
play cricket.
I go
Very
to
good.
party.
Very good. Very good. Keep on.
I
Keep
play
on.
cricket.
Very good.
I play cricket.
Very good. I play cricket. Next. टेक अ वर्ब एंड मेक सेंटेंसेस. अब आप लोगों को करना क्या है? बहुत ही सिंपल काम करना है. वर्ब लेना है, सेंटेंस बनाना है. वर्ब लेना है, सेंटेंस बनाना है. दिस इज द वर्ब.
I buy car.
Very good. I buy a car.
I
So what
read
do
a
you
book.
have to do? You
I
have to
lose
take
my
only the first.
opportunity.
Very good. You have to take only the first form of verb. You have to.
I drink coffee. I read
Very
book.
good. Very good.
I
एक
make
मिनट.
cake.
I sit on the chair.
I
drive
drink
car.
water.
अरे रुको जरा. अरे रुको.
I drive a car.
अरे रुको यहाँ पे. Pay attention. If you see here, this is the first form of verb. ये first form है verb का. You have to take the first form of verb and you have to make sentences. Okay? Are you seeing this? This is the first form. Second form, third form. तो आप लोगों को ये लेना नहीं है. Don't take second form. Don't take second form. Take only the first form of verb. Second form नहीं लेना है. एड़े चाले नहीं करना. Second form नहीं लेना. You have to take only the first form of verb. आपको ये वाला form लेना है. Okay? Yes. Take first form of verb and make sentences. Yes, one by one. चलो, one by one.
I draw a picture. I draw a picture.
I draw a picture. Next.
I
I
feel
begin
not
a-
well today.
I begin a
good.
business.
Very good.
I eat a breakfast.
A breakfast? No. And who is this? Hello?
Reach a man.
I
Yes,
beat my
continue.
friend in a chess competition.
I
Very
drive
good.
a car.
Very good.
I purchase new mobile.
I purchase a new mobile. A new mobile. A new mobile. Singular countable noun will contain only a determiner in front of it. Very good. Next.
I
I
feel
dig the
dancing.
soil.
I bring a bat.
Okay, just let me give you one by one number. Then you can go according to the numbers. Okay. First, Jyotsna ma'am. Next, Chaitali ma'am. Next, Mr. Osama. Next, Mr. Karthik. Next, Mr. Guddu. Next, Mr. Shivdas. Next, Mr. Pradeep. And next, Mai. Okay. After Pradeep, once again, Jyotsna ma'am. Then Chaitali ma'am. Then Mr. Osama. Then Mr. Karthik. Then Mr. Guddu. Then Mr. Shivdas. Then Mr. Pradeep. Okay. Chalo bhai, let's go. Jyotsna ma'am, please start.
I dig soil.
Good. Next.
I catch ball.
I feel
I dig
relaxed.
soil. I catch a ball. Very good.
I feel dancing.
I feel dancing. Okay, next.
I fight too.
Very good. Next. Judas.
I take a ride on car.
Very good. After Guddu, your number is there. Next, Pradeep.
I catch my friend with his girlfriend.
Wow. Next. Jyotsna ma'am, once again. After Pradeep, your number is there once again.
I drive a car.
Very good. Next.
I bring cake from market.
Very good. I bring cake from the market. Next.
I catch a fish.
I catch a fish. Next.
I choose a headphone.
Very good. Next.
I make a cooking.
I make dinner. I make breakfast. I do cooking. Next.
I feed the dog.
I feed the dog. Very good. Next.
I feel awesome today.
Very good. Next.
I eat a burger.
Very good. नहीं बीच में नहीं घुसना. Yes, Jyotsna ma'am, once again.
I bring a vegetables.
Very good. Next.
I cut the apple.
I cut an apple. I cut an apple. Next.
I flee to Mumbai.
Very good. Next.
My hair grow quickly.
Very good. I grow my hair quickly. Next. Next.
I choose a car.
Whose number is there?
गुड्डू
Are Guddu, are you sleeping?
सर बोला ना मैंने.
Next.
Okay. Show your mobile.
Okay, very good. I show
I
my
speak-
mobile. You can make sentences with I.
Okay.
Yes.
I speak louder in a crowd.
Very good. I speak louder in the crowd. Very good. Next. Next.
I
Jyotsna
bend
ma'am.
my both knees.
I deal for new property.
Very good. Next.
I buy a laptop.
Very good. Next.
I bend my both knees.
Good. Next.
I do it.
I do it. Very good. Next.
I sing a song.
Very good. Next.
I sell the smartphone.
I sell my phones. Okay. See, try
I
to make
choose-
some good sentences so that you can understand it well. I sell my phones. मतलब मैं मेरे फोन बेचता हूँ. रूटीन में आना चाहिए. रूटीन में एकदम. Good. Continue, Pradeep.
I choose the wrong way.
I choose the wrong way. Wrong way. Next. Jyotsna ma'am.
I
So what-
find my old book.
Very good. Next.
I find
I
my
drink
old book.
water.
Very good.
I broadcast on a YouTube channel today.
I broadcast YouTube channel today. Very good. Next.
I found one.
I find. First form, my dear.
I
First
find
form.
one. Sorry.
Very good. Next. Very good.
I speak English.
I speak English. Next.
I break the stone.
Very good. Next.
I sing classical song.
Very good.
I
Next.
say come here.
Very good. Next.
I build an empire.
I build an empire. Very good. Next.
I shake a milk in glass.
I shake milk in glass. Very good. Next.
I say
I deal- I deal with my friend to purchase his bike.
Very good boy. Beach में नहीं घुसने का. Who's the next?
Karthik.
I draw a picture.
Good. Next.
Send a message.
Next.
I pay my
No, ma'am. Wait.
Shidas. I
Shidas.
fall from the mountain.
I fell from the mountain. Very good. Next. Pradeep.
I fall in love.
Ah ha ha ha. Very nice. Next. Now I want you to make sentences with he, she. He, she. Now while making sentences with he, she, verb plus is or es. For example, he comes to college. She draws paintings. He does homework. She drives a car. He feeds cats. She sews clothes. He puts on the table. She makes dinner. He lights up the lives. She feels hungry. He fights with people. She deals in companies. She rides a bike. He pays the bills. She meets me. He makes dinner. She loses her temper. He shakes juice. She shoots balloons. She shows pictures. It shrinks earlier. She sings in the water. He sings songs. She sleeps early. He speaks Spanish. She spends time. She spits on the wall. So like this, you have to make sentences with he, she, it, verb plus s or es according to our rule. Now make sentences with he and she. He and she. One round with he, one round with she. One round with he, one round with she. One by one in the same sequence. बीच में कोई घुस के नहीं बोलेगा. You have only 2 seconds time. 2 सेकंड का टाइम मिलेगा, वरना नेक्स्ट वाला बोलना स्टार्ट करेगा. ओके, गुड. Jyotsna ma'am, please start.
he becomes a doctor.
Okay, now listen to me carefully. अब यहाँ पे ध्यान देना है. मैडम ने एक सेंटेंस दिया है, बहुत अच्छा सेंटेंस है. But according to grammar rule, it is correct, but logically wrong. The sentence is grammatically correct, logically wrong. He, she, it, verb plus s or es. Correct? Verb वहाँ पे मैडम ने लिया. She becomes a doctor. Correct? Sentence is grammatically correct, but logically wrong. Logically wrong हो जाएगा. Why? I'll give you an example. ये सीखने वाली चीजें हम लोग इसके लिए प्रैक्टिकल यहाँ पर करा कर ले रहे हैं. हाँ, वरना मैं आपको पढ़ाकर छोड़ देता था, आप लोग घर पे तुम्हारा कर लो. ऐसा नहीं होता है. Because this is what I want the results from you. That's the most important thing. So she becomes a doctor. When do we use simple present tense? For routine. जब कोई एक चीज हम लोग बार बार करते हैं. For example, I sell my phones. मैं मेरे फोन बेचते रहता हूँ. I teach English. डेली पढ़ाता हूँ. I have a shower. I have meals. खाना खाता हूँ. रूटीन है. But she becomes a doctor. क्या ये रूटीन हो सकता है?
फ्यूचर में
No,
ऐसा
sir.
नहीं, ये रूटीन नहीं होगा. तुम कहोगे ये सेंटेंस ग्रामेटिकली करेक्ट, दैट वर्ब प्लस एस और es, she become will become becomes, correct? She becomes a doctor.
sir.
सेंटेंस ग्रामेटिकली करेक्ट बट लॉजिकली रॉन्ग. लेट मी गिव यू वन मोर एग्जांपल. आप लोग को एक और एग्जांपल देता हूं तो आपको क्लियर हो जाएगा. नेक्स्ट, इट. अब मैं इट के साथ में सेंटेंस बना रहा हूं. इट वर्ब प्लस एस और es. फॉर एग्जांपल, इट ड्राइव, वर्ब मैंने लिया, वर्ब प्लस एस और es. इट ड्राइव्स a car. The sentence is grammatically correct but logically wrong. Why? It plus verb plus s or es. आया ना? It drive will become drives. But when do we use it? We use it for
Things.
animals,
Things.
Object.
things,
baby,
places, ideas,
Ideas.
babies,
Babies.
etc. अब इसके अंदर से गाड़ी कौन चलाने वाला है? Who can drive a car?
No one, sir.
Can cat
No.
drive a car? Can elephant drive a car? Can
No.
snake drive a car? Can tiger drive a car? No. Things. Can I drive a car? Can speaker drive a car? Can curtain drive a car? Can laptop drive a car? No. Sentence wrong. Place. Can Pune drive a car? Can Mumbai drive a car? Can Bangalore drive a car? Can France drive a car? Can Argentina drives a car? Wrong. Idea. Can love drive a car? Can hate drive a car? Can honesty drive a car? No. Can baby drive a car? No. So this sentence will be grammatically correct but logically wrong. अब समझा?
Yes, sir.
English कितना sensitive है? Means what you are making sentence, it is correct. Sentence is grammatically perfectly correct, but logically थोड़ा wrong हो जाएगा.
सर लॉजिकली सर बनाने नहीं आते सर किसी के सामने बात करते टाइम सेंटेंस.
No, see, this is what the beginning, my dear. This is what the beginning. But the moment when you start speaking, so you'll be start speaking. See, for example, I'll tell you one more secret of speaking English. I'll tell you one secret of speaking English. How many of you have problem that I can speak English but not faster? Because what do? I think the first sentence, then I translate it into English, then I speak it.
Me, sir.
yes, sir, it's happened me.
Me, sir.
Correct?
Yeah.
Correct.
Yes.
Exactly. So now this is the problem. Exactly the same thing is happening with you as well. What do? First you take sentence in Hindi or Marathi, you translate it into English and then you speak up. Now,
Yeah,
Now.
sir.
Right, sir.
simple trick is there to speak English. This is the secret of speaking, I'm telling you. Start thinking in English. Start thinking in English. How to think in English? There are two things. The moment when you read, you'll come to know words in English, correct? Point number one. The moment when you are seeing something, so at the time, to that thing, assume in English. उसको English में feel करने की कोशिश करो. Try करो, starting में मुश्किल है, मुझे पता है. But let me ask you one question. What is this?
Pen.
इसको आप लोग ने रस्सी क्यों नहीं बोला?
No, sir. तुम भी
रस्सी बोलेंगे इसको?
No.
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Very good. You are using that English word. रस्सी नहीं बोल रहे, English word बोल रहे. Belt means you are thinking in English. अब जब आप लोग हिंदी में भी बोलते हैं ना, तो आप लोग क्या बोलते हैं? मेरा बेल्ट किधर है? आप लोग बोलते हैं मेरी रस्सी किधर है? No. आपका समझ रहा है मैं क्या बोलना चाह रहा हूँ? Psychological point है, ध्यान दो.
Yes,
Same case. What is this?
Sound.
Sound.
एक ही चीज. Correct. अब यहाँ पर आप बोलो उसको साउंड बोलो, स्पीकर बोलो. आपके दिमाग में ऐसा आता है क्या भाई बजने वाली चीज?
No, sir.
Also,
आप लोग उसको इंग्लिश में बोल रहे हैं बिकॉज यू आर थिंकिंग इन इंग्लिश. सेम केस. आप इसको बोल रहे हैं क्या भ्रमण ध्वनि यंत्र, दूरध्वनि यंत्र लेकर आओ. रुको मैं आपको दूरध्वनि यंत्र से संदेश भेजता हूं. अरे मैं आपको मैसेज करता हूं. सिंपल मीन्स यू आर ट्राइंग टू ऑब्जेक्ट द थिंग्स इन इंग्लिश. सीक्रेट सुनो, समझो खाली उसको जरा, थोड़ा लॉजिकल है. सेम केस व्हेन यू फाइंड, मैं आपको मेरे आसपास की चीजें बता रहा हूं, ऐसे कोई नया चीज नहीं लेकर आ रहा हूं. नेचुरल चीज आई एम जस्ट शोइंग यू and you are answering me. I'm just taking the answer from your pocket. From your pocket, I'm just making the answer. Nothing else. Now, what is this?
Bottle.
Why don't you say Why don't you say बोतल? उर्दू में क्यों नहीं बोल रहे आप इसको? कुछ क्यों नहीं बोल रहे आप इसको? बॉटल क्यों बोल रहे हैं? बॉटल इज इंग्लिश वर्ड, मीन्स even you can think of English. Even you can think in English, you can think of English, you can think in English. आप इंग्लिश के अंदर सोच सकते हैं. ये मैंने क्या पहना है?
टी शर्ट,
करेक्ट. आप लोग इसको क्यों नहीं बोल रहे हैं कि कमीज पहनी आपने ये? हा बोलेंगे? जनरली नहीं बोलते हैं. क्या बोलेंगे? टी शर्ट पहना है. सो टी शर्ट इंग्लिश वर्ड है. आपके पास में कितनी सारी चीजें मैं आपको अभी बता रहा हूं जो कि मैं आपके सामने बैठा हूं, एंड आई एम शोइंग यू एवरीथिंग इन इंग्लिश. नाउ लास्ट वन थिंग, पे अटेंशन. में ध्यान दो. हाँ, मैं जो बता रहा हूं आपको, इंग्लिश विल बिकम वेरी इजी फॉर यू टू स्पीक अप. ये मेरे पीछे क्या है? ये
वॉल,
Curtains.
कर्टन. वेरी गुड. अब यहाँ पर एक चीज है, ये वॉल नहीं भाई, देखो मैंने इसके ऊपर इसके लिए हाथ मार के दिखाया.
ओके सर.
या सो अब इसके अंदर आप लोग बोलेंगे पीछे मेरे पर्दा है, और पर्दे को मैडम ने अभी क्या बोला इंग्लिश में? कर्टन. करेक्ट. अभी मैडम जो है वो इंग्लिश में सोचना स्टार्ट कर दिया मैडम ने, एंड शी इज सेइंग दैट कर्टन. मैडम उसको चाहिए तो मराठी में बोल सकती थी, पर्दा बिरदा जो कुछ भी अपन बोल सकते हैं उसको, हिंदी में, उर्दू में, मराठी में. एज यू आर थिंकिंग you can speak up. So start thinking the things in English. For example, दरवाजा बंद करना, उसकी जगह पे आप लोग क्या बोलते थे?
Close the
डोर बंद
door.
कर.
Close
हाँ,
the door.
so door. तो आपको डोर वर्ड मालूम है इंग्लिश के अंदर ऑलरेडी. स्टार्ट थिंकिंग इन इंग्लिश. अभी कबर्ड को कबर्ड ही बोलते हैं आप लोग. अगा ही कबर्ड मध्ये ठेवलेले माझे कपडे. आप बोलते कि तिजोरी में कपड़े रखे थे.
No.
You say cupboard. Means the word is there in English. Start thinking in English and you can speak better. easier. बहुत easy हो जाएगा. Getting it? So जैसे आप लोग हिंदी मराठी बोलते हैं वैसे आप लोग इंग्लिश बोलना स्टार्ट हो जाएंगे naturally and you will never forget it. This is what my guarantee. So I hope you are understanding the psychology of speaking English.
Yes.
Okay? So start thinking in English. Start thinking in English and the sentences will come automatically from your mouth in English only. Start thinking in English. Okay, my dear? So these are the sentences which are correct, logically wrong, grammatically correct, logically wrong. Okay, let's go. Now make sentences with he, she, faster. Today we are going to see essay. निबंध लिखने वाले अपन किसके ऊपर? डेली रूटीन के ऊपर. आज के आज में चलो जल्दी. He, she. Make sentence with he, she. He comes, she goes, it flies, she teaches, etc. Make sentences with he, she.
So she
Ma'am,
takes
start what's it?
breakfast. She
She?
takes breakfast.
Very good.
Takes
Next.
breakfast.
Very good.
He goes to college.
Very good. Next.
He plays cricket.
Very nice. Next.
He wear helmet.
Wears. He wears helmet. Next.
He comes in the room.
Very good. Next. Guddu is busy. Shivdas.
He eats sugarcane.
He eats sugarcane. Next. Pradeep. Okay, Jyotsna ma'am.
She grows plants.
Next. Sania ma'am.
She loves to play tennis.
Next.
He goes in the market.
He feels bad.
He feels bad. Very good.
Goes to college.
Guddu.
She plays cricket.
Very good. Next, Shivdas.
He plays badminton.
Next, Jyotsna ma'am.
She lives Pune.
He learns.
In Pune.
So lives मतलब छोड़ा ना.
Leaves. Leaves
L-E-A.
and live. First is live, and this one is leave. Leave. Sound थोड़ा stretch होकर आएगा.
Okay. sir.
She lives in Pune and she leaves in Pune. छोड़ देती है. Okay, she leaves Pune. Pune छोड़ देती है वो. Next.
She wants to go to Mumbai.
Next. Mr. Osama. Karthik,
She drives a car.
very good.
He go to college.
Goes to college.
He loves.
To draw a picture.
He draws a picture. Shivdas,
He loves food.
very good.
She comes to the garden.
She comes to the garden. Next, he, she. Once again, Jyotsna ma'am.
He leads to speak.
Good. Wow.
Drives-
Sanya ma'am, faster.
He makes dinner.
Next,
She loves to sit
Down.
inside the tree.
good.
She bends
Under the
down.
tree. Very good. Falls down. Falls down. Falls down. Next.
She breaks
Guddu, are
my
you
heart.
busy? Very good. Next.
He shakes.
After Karthik, Shivdas will speak because Guddu is quite busy, I think so.
Sir, my internet connection is.
May God help your internet connection, my dear. Next.
She
Siddharth.
makes an appetite.
Very good.
He
Next.
lost the bet.
She loses. She loses. Next.
Sir, network issue problem है.
Oh my God, help you. Next.
She drinks a beer.
He chooses.
He
Very good.
purchases new shoes.
Very good. Next.
He bites chewing gum. Chewing gum.
Chewing gum. Hey, chewing gum.
Chewing gum.
Okay, next.
He
He
pays
likes
the
to
bill.
read book.
Good. Next.
She goes
Chooses
shopping
fruits.
every day.
Take the first form of. Take the first form. I have just written here. Take the first form.
She
Yes.
spit on my arm.
She spits on my arm. Next.
He break a apple. Breaks
Breaks.
apple. He breaks apple.
Apple तोड़ती है. Next.
She forgives the child's mistake.
Next.
He drink a beer.
He wakes up at 6 a.m.
Very good.
She wins a trophy.
Very good.
He hits
Shivdas.
hard.
Very good. Karthik, Shivdas, Guddu.
He cuts an apple.
An apple. An apple. Next.
He held his hand.
Very good. Next.
She sings a song.
Very good. Next.
He knows me very well.
Good. Next.
He deals the card.
Good. Next.
He leads the team.
Nice.
He got a new car.
He purchases a car.
He purchases a card. Purchases a card.
She got a new car.
No, my dear. She gets a new car. She gets a new car. First form only. Only first form. Second form koi nahi lega.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Can you please make sentences with it? Now, when do we use it? We use it for animals, things, baby, places. Can you please make sentences with it? Nobody will take the second form of verb. Nobody will take the second form of verb. Yes, continue.
It creeps on ladder.
Very good. Next.
It hurts too much.
It hurts too much. Okay, I'll show you here. I'll show you some of the words which will help you a lot while making sentences with it, because I know it is the first time and it will take a little time to you to make sentences with it. Now, when do we use it? We use it because, see, making sentences with it is a little difficult. I'll show you how to make sentences with it. How to make sentences with it. Now, point number 1. We use it for animals, things, baby, places, and ideas. First, we'll make sentence with it, with animals. It. Okay? It, bark will become he, she, it, verb plus.
Barks.
Yeah, very good. It barks at people. Who is this it?
Dog.
Dog.
Dog. It barks at people. Bark means what? Bhonkta hai. It barks at people. So here I'm using it for animal. मैं it animal के लिए use कर रहा हूँ. Please pay
Yeah.
attention here. Okay? Same case. It barks at people. I can use there one more sentence. Just a minute. Next, it roars at people. What do you mean by roar?
चिल्लाना
दहाड़ना.
चिल्लाना, ओरडणे,
Correct. शेर चिल्लाता है
शेर
ना.
जैसे.
Correct. It roars at people. वो लोगों पे दहाड़ता है. कौन? Animal. That's what? Dog. We can say dog. We can say tiger. Means ultimately we are talking about the animal. I'm just going slow. Why? Just you to understand exactly the scenario of making sentences with it. Next one. Animals, things. Now I'm going to make sentences with things, with it. For example, it works very nicely. It, work is the verb plus s or es while sentences with it. It works nicely. Who is this it? Charger. Cheese hai. Yes or no? It works nicely. What? My phone. It's a thing. Thing. For things we are going to use it. For things we are going to use it. It works nicely. बहुत अच्छे से काम करता है वो. It works nicely. Next one. For animals, for things. Next, places. It, win will become
means
wins.
Wins.
Correct. It wins matches. What? India. India wins matches. And India is what? India is what? Places. For places, we are going to use there it. It wins matches. It wins matches. वो matches जीतता है. Next one. Animals, things, baby. It, cry will become
Cries.
cries.
IES.
Ending with Y?
Eyes.
Yeah,
IES.
exactly. IES. It cries a lot. What? Baby. Baby
Sir,
cries a lot.
सर हेलो
Yeah.
सर वहाँ पे इंडिया कैसे आएगा सर? इंडियन टीम विंस मैचेस आएगा ना, मतलब it wins matches.
Same, exactly. See, India wins matches. तो इंडिया कौन है? जगह है ना, प्लेस है. तो इंडियन टीम्स वही जगह के लिए खेलते हैं ना वो लोग. तो इंडिया किसके लिए, टीम किसके लिए खेलती है? जगह के लिए खेलती है. करेक्ट. और you can put any other sentence as well. For example, वो जगह ये करती है. It wins matches. और प्लेस के लिए और क्या बोल सकते हैं आप लोग? For example,
Ranji team wins matches.
it produces वो जगह बनाती है. It produces what? Rice. What? जगह है ना, जमीन.
Yes.
Correct.
Yes.
Place. It produces rice. Okay, so we can say like this as well. जगह के लिए अपन यूज कर रहे हैं. So animal, things, baby, places. So animals, things, baby, and places. We can make sentences like this. Now for company as well. For example, it, hire will become
Hires.
hires. It hires employees. What? Company. For company also we can use there it. It hire will become hires. It hires employees. वो employees को hire करता है. कौन? Company. It hires employees. So we can make sentences with it. Very, very clear. Any doubts to anyone?
सर आइडिया के लिए
Idea is remaining. Correct. Very good. Now it, अब idea के लिए मैं sentence बना रहा हूँ. It mingles my mind. Mingle will become mingles. It mingle will become mingles. It mingles my mind. What mingles my mind? Your performance. Performance is idea. Yes or no? Correct. और performance की जगह पे मैं दूसरी चीज भी ले सकता हूँ. For example, your dance. Your dance attracts my mind. Attract will become attracts. Your dance attracts my mind. Your dance attracts my mind. Your dance mingles my mind. So it mingles my mind, it attracts my mind. What it dance. Your dance attracts my mind. Your dance mingles my mind. Getting it? Yes. Any doubts? आइडिया के लिए अपन और भी बोल सकते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल आइडिया के लिए अपने और भी सेंटेंस बना सकते हैं. व्हाट सॉर्ट ऑफ आइडिया वुड लाइक टू मेक सेंटेंसेस विद? कैन यू प्लीज टेल मी सो आई कैन गिव यू अ गुड एग्जांपल ऑफ दिस.
Fly in the sky.
Idea.
Sir, it thinks for exam.
Confusion.
Yeah. Confusion. Okay. It
is a great idea. It is a
no. मुझे verb चाहिए वहाँ पर. I want to put there a verb. So while putting a verb, it will become something amazing while making sentences with it. Confusion.
Remembrance.
Okay. It's put will become put. It puts me in dilemma. It puts me in dilemma. It puts me in dilemma. In a dilemma. Sorry. It puts me in a dilemma. Put will become puts.
so what is
this?
main dilemma, sir?
Dilemma, confusion. Confusion. और बेचैनी में डाल देता है. It puts me in dilemma. What? Your decision. Or your confusion. So like this we can make sentences with ideas. Any doubts?
Sure.
Getting it? So like this you have to make sentences. So my dear friends, always remember this one thing. If you have good verbs, you can make any sentence in English. And if you don't have verbs, you will suffer a lot. अभी आप लोगों को समझ में आ रहा है? अपने को जो sentence बनाने थे, ये verbs के साथ में बनाना है. How many of you know the meaning of this word? Flee. Flee.
I.
What do you mean by this one?
भागना.
Correct. Flee, भागना. फरार हो जाना. Just to run away. Flee means what? Run away. भाग जाना. Correct. Flee means what? Running away. अब run away के लिए आपके पास में words कितने हैं? कितने words हैं आपके पास में run away के लिए? Now I'll show you. This is what it will give you the great quality that you can crack IELTS exam easily. अब IELTS के अंदर लगता क्या है? Did you see my writings? आजकल मैं देखो मेरे पोस्ट करता हूँ लिखकर. आप लोगों ने कभी देखा है जो मैं लिख रहा हूँ वो? First of all, thought process. Second, writing style. Writing style. Correct. Apart from this one, वो मैं बहुत local English में लिखता हूँ पहली बात तो. If you see, the moment when I have given in my graduation, I have given speech on Teachers' Day. If you see my speech, you'll come to know what exactly I mean. मेरा कभी मैं आपको speech दिखाऊंगा. आपको मैं मेरा कभी speech दिखाऊंगा. वो speech को कभी पढ़ना. Teachers' Day का speech है. Everyone was sitting over there. HOD was sitting there. Principal was sitting there. Professors were sitting there. And only one professor was there who understood that speech. And others were sitting like this only. क्या बोलो क्या मालूम? Because people, they are not aware about this kind of word power. So simply what you have to speak up, it matters a lot. Now, I'm going to give you some sentences here. It flees, correct? आप लोग simple से sentence बना सकते हैं. Flee. मैं क्या दे रहा हूँ? Sorry. Flee means run away. भाग जाना. उसका meaning क्या है? Run away. पड़ून जाने. और क्या word हो सकता है आपके पास में? भाग जाने के लिए. Can you please give me? देखते हैं आप लोग कितना दे सकते हैं.
Escape.
Very nice. Very nice boy. Very nice. Escape. What else? What else?
Exit.
Exit तो okay.
Yes,
Okay. But exit का मतलब main मतलब भाग जाना नहीं होता है. But still.
sir. अलग है सर मीनिंग.
Not exactly. Okay. अभी मुझे एक एग्जांपल देना है. अभी अपना प्रदीप है. मागा रहती ना शिवानी. तिथे सोबत पडायला आहे. इंग्लिश मध्ये कैसे बोलणार आपण?
Wow.
प्रदीप
मेरा नाम
शिवानी सोबत पडालाय.
प्लीज शिवानी.
Please with Shivani.
फ्ली मतलब फरार हो गया.
Pradeep ran away with Shivani.
प्रदीप eloped with शिवानी. कितने लोगों को ये वर्ड पता था elope?
मैं सुना था सर. Remember, I don't remember.
Elope. Elope. The real meaning of elope is running away shamelessly. Running away. पडून जाणे. हे पडून गेलं ते. मुंह काला करके गए. Just giving you the example. प्रदीप दिल पे लेना नहीं.
नहीं सर.
शिवानी काम वाली भाई है हमारी. So, Pradeep eloped with Shivani. So this is what the sentence. Now I'll give you one more example. Collocations in English. इसको बोलते हैं word power. आपका vocabulary कितना strong है? How great can you build up your vocabulary? For example, दुनिया बोल रही है I'm happy. I'm happy. I'm happy. I'm happy. आप लोग जाकर कुछ तो बड़ा उसका सर पे फेंक के मारो. सामने वाले बेहोश हो जाना चाहिए. What's that? I'm in ecstasy. I'm in ecstasy. What do you mean by ecstasy? कितने लोगों ने सुना है वर्ड ये? Extreme happiness. Extreme happiness is called ecstasy. I'm in ecstasy. मैं बहुत खुशी में हूँ. Amazing. This is called high level English. A new batch is starting from this November, especially for high level English. 1 month course is there in which I'm going to teach you from 2 main books. One book is from Scotland and another book is from New York. There are 2 books which I'm going to teach in that class. High level English. Talk. बड़े level का English रहेगा एकदम. In which you're going to say something great. For example, people will say, I got rejected. And you're going to say, I've got an X. I got an X. Means what? I got rejected. Or you can say, I got a golden handshake. Means you got rejected. Or ये level का English रहेगा वो. So this is what I'm going to teach in that class. What exactly do you mean? अब for example मुझे बोलना है उसने मेरा प्लान चौपट कर दिया. इंग्लिश में कैसे बोलेंगे? उसने मेरा प्लान चौपट कर दिया. इंग्लिश में कैसे बोलेंगे? Upset the apple's cart. He upset my apple's cart. उसने मेरा पूरा प्लान चौपट कर दिया. He upset the apple's cart. एप्पल कार्ट हो रहा है उसके अंदर. गूगल उसको एप्पल्स कार्ट नहीं ले रहा है बट एप्पल्स कार्ट है वो. He upset the apple's cart. सेम केस अपन क्या बोलते हैं? प्लीज पुट इट इन प्रॉपर मैनर. प्लीज पुट इट इन सिस्टमैटिक मैनर. हाई लेवल के इंग्लिश में क्या बोलेंगे उसको? प्लीज पुट इट इन एप्पल पाई ऑर्डर. अभी एप्पल के ऊपर से याद आ रहा है मुझे. एक एप्पल के ऊपर कितनी सारी चीजें इंग्लिश के अंदर. आई कैन शो यू दैट. दिस काइंड ऑफ इंग्लिश will blow up the mind of the people. लोगों का mind out कर देगी वो. Means what? Apple pie order means what? Systematic manner. Please keep the shoes in apple pie order, all of you. Please make sentences in apple pie order. Oh my God. दुनिया क्या बोल रही है? Please make sentences in proper manner, systematic manner. And you're going to say there in apple pie order. Oh my God. Same case. दुनिया बोल रही है stairs. Stairs. What are you going to say? Apples and pears. Apples and pears means what in high level English? Stairs.
Stairs.
दुनिया बोल रही है, you know, hello, hi, I'm getting down from the stairs. आप लोग क्या बोलेंगे? Excuse me, I'm just getting down from the apples and pears. We'll be getting there in sooner. सामने वाला बोलेगा, what? Apple pie order? Oh sorry, apples and pears. सेब के ऊपर से चल के आ रहा है. उसको बोलने का check in the dictionary. out, सामने वाला out हो जाएगा. This kind of English I'm going to teach in that class. So if you want, so you can get admission over there. And if you have any friends who wants to learn this kind of English, we're going to teach them there. Apart from this one, we're going to teach there some other things also. Like for example, high level English, cliches, idioms, proverbs, and many much more things are there. Okay. So apart from this one, let me give you one more example. एक और झटका देता हूँ मैं आपको भी जाने से पहले, so आप लोग को समझ में आएगा कि बोलने का मतलब क्या मेरा. For example, encourage. Normal word है ये, सबको पता है ये word, but मैं ये word नहीं use करूँगा. Why? Because I'm not an ordinary English speaker. Instead of saying encourage, I can use there some other word. For example, persuade. Some of the people might be knowing this word as well. Persuade. Cajole. How many of you know this word?
Yes.
Next, quacks. How many of you know this word? So this is what exactly I do mean. Using instead of one word, you can use some other words as well. You know, yesterday I cajoled him, but still he was unable to come with me. Oh my God. Yeah, yesterday he was coaxing me, but I was just completely out of my mind. I was feeling incontented. What do you mean by incontented? Incontented. Unhappy. This kind of English, incontented, uncontented, incontented, incontented as well, okay? Same. So this kind of English will blow up the mind of the people. लोग कहाँ से कहाँ बोलेंगे, oh my God, नहीं. ये बंदे से बात करने से पहले जरा सोचो. So if you want to learn, so you can get up and you can come back to the admission. All right, let's go. So एक word है, उसके अलावा कितने अपने पास में कितने सारे words हैं? Persuade, cajole, coax, motivate, encourage, convince. ये सब एक टाइप का ही word है. He motivated me to do this one. He convinced me to do this one. He encouraged me to do this one. He persuaded me to do this one. He cajoled me. He coaxed me. क्या कुछ नहीं बोल सकते हैं. This is what exactly English. Normal I want to go, I want to come, कोई भी बोलता है. But you are going to say something great. All right, my dear. So, let's get back. High level का English कितने लोगों को समझ में आया आज? Impressive है कि नहीं?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
सामने वाले के तोते उड़ जाना चाहिए. ये बोले कि हम फाइन, आप जाकर क्या बोलेंगे? हम हंकी चोरी. I mean the bed closer. ऐसा एक नहीं है, बहुत सारी चीजें हैं. बहुत सारी चीजें, बहुत 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 सारी चीजें. Same case, would like to tell you. गलत नहीं मानना. It is English. You want to say pregnant, correct? The lady is pregnant. Oh, बोलने में जरा थोड़ा सा अजीब लगेगा, थोड़ा बुरा भी लग सकता है. Instead of saying you pregnant, you can say she's waiting for the tiny feet. She's waiting for the tiny feet. Means what? She's pregnant. Or she's happy. Means she's pregnant. High level के English के अंदर use होता है. Context के ऊपर से समझ में आ जाएगा सब. Or she's expecting. Or she's feeling kicks.
क्या?
She's feeling kicks, or she is recognized. Means what? She's pregnant. Getting it? ऐसा हाई लेवल का इंग्लिश है जो कि मैं आप लोग को आगे चल के पढ़ाने वाला हूँ, वो वाले बैच के अंदर. वो बैच अलग है, ओके? बिकॉज यहाँ पे ये सब पॉसिबल नहीं है. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस वन, एक नहीं बहुत सारी चीजें, बहुत 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 सारी चीजें. सो यू विल गेट टू नो मेनी थिंग्स. आपको समझ में आएगा कौन सी चीज को क्या बोलते हैं, किस चीज को क्या बोलते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, कोई नेकेड है, नंगा है, उसको नंगे को इंग्लिश में कैसे बोलेंगे? ही इज नेकेड. अरे छी, बहुत बुरा लग रहा है. इंस्टेड ऑफ सेइंग नेकेड, यू कैन से ही वाज वियरिंग अ स्माइल. मीन्स व्हाट? उसने खाली स्माइल पहना हुआ था, बाकी पूरा नंगा था. So just saying, suddenly yesterday I just went in his room and I found him, he was wearing a smile. Means no clothes. बोलने का तरीका है. Or he was in birthday suits. What? बर्थडे का सूट में था वो. बर्थडे का सूट, ये सूट है ना, बर्थडे सूट है. कपड़े पहन के आते हैं जिंदगी दुनिया में. So this is the way you can speak up. दुनिया क्या बोलेगी और आप कुछ अलग बोलेंगे. सामने वाला फॉरेनर बोलेगा जय हिंद जय महाराष्ट्र, और क्या इंग्लिश बोलता है यार, अमेजिंग, आई शपथ, अपने को भी मालूम नहीं है. So this is what exactly when to speak up. और इसके अलावा बहुत सारे वर्ड्स हैं, बहुत सारे वर्ड्स हैं. For example, he's in a state of nature. State of nature means what? He was naked. He was wearing a smile. He was in birthday suit. एक चीज को बोलने के अलग अलग पैटर्न है, अलग अलग तरीके हैं. This is called English. एक ये लेवल का भी इंग्लिश होता है. So this is exactly we are going to teach you in that classes. Let's go back once again. I want you to make sentences now with it.
Sir, what's the fees of that class?
My dear, it is learning process. Doesn't ask for fee. Because see, जहाँ पे आप लोग पूछते ना, मैं आपको एक चीज सिखाता हूँ आज. चलो ध्यान में रखना मेरी बात को. जहाँ पे आपने कोई भी चीज का एक फी पूछा, मतलब यानी कोई भी चीज का एक प्राइस पूछा, वहां पे प्राइस खत्म हो जाता है. I'll tell you how. सिंपल सी बात है, ध्यान में रखना मेरी बात. जहाँ पे आपने प्राइस पूछा, मतलब वहां पे उसका वैल्यू खत्म. वो बात आपका सबसे सही बात है कि आपको बिना प्राइस अगर नहीं पूछेंगे तो आपको समझेगा कैसे, और अगर आप प्राइस नहीं पूछेंगे तो आप उसको मैनेज कैसे करेंगे. बात बराबर है. बट जहाँ पे चीज आती है ना, प्राइस का भी मत पूछो. आपको करना है डायरेक्टली घुस जाने का, टेंशन लेने का नहीं. बिकॉज उससे आप लोग क्या कमाने वाले हैं. लेट मी टेल यू वन मोर थिंग. आपको मैं मेरा सीक्रेट बोलता हूँ. लेट मी टेल यू वन मोर थिंग. जस्ट अ मिनट. हाँ, yeah. So, see, what I did, I'll tell you. Now, if you go through the same thing, you'll come to know much more things. Whatever you are doing, just do for your investment. Just do for your main things. I'll show you something here. I'm going to share with you. I'm not getting it well right now, but still. Okay. So now, it was a time in my life. I'll tell you, when I was pursuing my engineering, at that time, I had one of my friend with me again. And we had the course, and it took us 45,000 rupees. The course was costing 45,000 rupees. Listen to me carefully. The cost was there 45,000 for the course. Okay. And do you know that boy, my colleague, now he is earning 2 to 3 lakhs rupees per month by learning that course. 2 to 3 lakhs rupees per month by learning that course. Now you tell me, he invested 45,000 at himself. Now he is earning amazing. It was the time for me, as you can see my screen as well. It was the time for me when I was having nothing. And now today I'm using the laptop of 2 lakhs rupees. The cost is around 2 lakhs rupees of this laptop. How and why? Because invest in yourself and you'll get much more better than this one. Invest in yourself. For example, let me ask you one question. You go for an interview, right? Correct. The company asks you to work in the company. Do they ask degree to work in the company?
No, sir.
Degree doesn't work, you work in the company. Degree doesn't work, but you work in the company. Does degree give the interview or you give the interview? Only you give the interview. Degree doesn't give the interview. Who cracks the interview? You crack the interview or degree crack the interview? Who earns the money? You earn the money or degree earns the money? Obviously you earn money, not the degree. So simple thing is there, my dear. Instead of wasting your time over there, invest your money in yourself. Because the moment when you are going to invest your money in yourself, it will give you 10 times, 20 times, 100 times better results and better outputs. So remember this. This is what my teacher taught me. If you are asking money of a thing, the price will go down. The value will go down. Sorry. The value will go down of the thing. And you will be thinking, अरे यार करूं क्या नहीं करूं, उससे आपको क्या फायदा होने वाला है ना, वो सोचो सिर्फ. अभी नहीं, आगे का सोचो. Businessmen out there, they think always ahead. 10 years ahead, 20 years ahead. What I'm going to do? आपको पता है जियो ने जियो निकाला 4G. कभी निकाला? अभी 2-3 साल पहले निकाला रहेगा, राइट? पर आपको मालूम है प्लान कब से चल रहा होगा उसका? कितना पहले उसने केबल वगैरह बिछाया होगा उसका? आज जियो लाया, आज ही सबको दे दिया, सबका नेटवर्क चालू भी है. ऐसा होता है क्या?
No, sir.
उसने पहले लाइन बिछाया पूरे इंडिया के अंदर जियो का 4G. देन उसने उसके ऊपर काम किया, खर्चा किया, रिटर्न उसको कुछ नहीं मिला. 1 रुपए भी रिटर्न नहीं मिला उसको. बट नाउ whole India is running on Jio. As Jio increases the price, Vodafone Idea increases the price, Airtel increases the price. As Jio decreases the price, even Airtel Idea Vodafone decreases the price. Who is the king of the who is the king maker? Jio. Think of this one. आप क्या कर रहे हैं उसके ऊपर सोचो. It is the same thing I want to tell you, that whenever the thing is coming with learning, go for this. Go for this. Do you know one more thing about me? I have been to about 24 to 26 companies till now. 24 से 26 कंपनी में जाकर आया हूं मैं. It is a different thing that I never wanted to do a job because I'm not job oriented at all. मैं कभी जॉब करना चाहता भी नहीं था. अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह मैं कभी करूंगा भी नहीं. नहीं, never. When I was just 19, when I was just 19, Tech Mahindra was giving me 6 years ago, 6 साल पहले. When I was just 19, Tech Mahindra was offering me 26,000 rupees salary, but I didn't take it. Why? Because I know I'm not the person of 26,000 only. I'm the person of something else. And now today is the time when I'm going to teach my students for IELTS especially. People are going to pay me 30,000 plus one client. I'm just sharing with you my secrets. And how much did I spend on my IELTS? Do you know? I spent there around 70,000 with the data, coaching and all, exams and all. 70,000 maximum. And now today, I can teach the students at the competition with my level. If they want accent like me, if they want English like me, if they want vocabulary like me, if they want results like me, they're going to pay me happily 40,000 rupees, 50,000 rupees, no problem at all. Give him. Why? Because he's giving the results. Results matter a lot. I spent 70,000. Today I can get that 70,000 from one of my clients, only from one client. And people will pay me happily. Why? Because they are seeing the value. Value matters a lot. Money doesn't matter, because money will be coming, will be going. It will be keep on rolling. But value, it matters a lot. So what are you learning? So when the time comes with learning, don't think of money. Even see, one of my would like to tell you one more thing. Always remember, when you are buying something, go for the things. And if it is very beneficial thing, don't think about it. You can get it directly, because it will give you 100% great results. So when it comes with results, it will give you great benefits. Remember this. All right. Did I tell you a story of horse? मैंने आपको horse का story बोला था क्या? लाला का?
No.
No?
Yes sir.
Like,
Yes sir. Yes sir.
बोला था ना मैंने?
Yes sir.
So कितना भी प्रॉब्लम आने दो, कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम आया, आप लोग को डरना नहीं है. You have to keep on fighting. You have to keep on fighting. जितना आप लोग फाइट करेंगे, उतना आप लोग आगे जाएंगे. याद रखना.
Sir,
कभी भी टेंशन लेने का नहीं लाइफ में. एंड सी व्हेनेवर लर्निंग इज देयर आई डू व्हाट. अभी आप लोगों ने किसी ने पूछा नहीं मैं कंपनी में क्या करने गया था. मैं 25-26 कंपनी घूमकर आया हूँ. क्या करने गया था? टाइम पास करने गया था क्या मैं? क्या करने गया था मैं? पूछो. अरे कोई
क्यों
पूछ ही नहीं
सर?
रहा है ना.
क्यों सर?
तरी बदलला.
बिकॉज मैंने तब गया था कंपनी में, उसका रिजल्ट मुझे आज मिल रहा है. आज मिल रहा है. मैं आपको बताता हूँ हाउ. लिसन टू मी केयरफुली. हाँ, लिसन टू मी केयरफुली.
एक्सपीरियंस.
Experience, exactly. Now I went there just to observe them, just to gain experience. I went to companies, I cracked interviews. मैं सब इंटरव्यू में पास नहीं हुआ. In some of the interviews I failed, some of the interviews I cracked it. I never said that I'm not going to do job, क्योंकि अगर ऐसे बोलता तो चप्पल से मार देते वो लोग, है की नाही. मग काय टाइमपास करायला आला का आमच्या कंपनीमध्ये? नाही. क्रैक करो, क्रैक करते रहो. मैंने क्रैक किया इंटरव्यूज. क्या पूछते, कैसे पूछते, क्या करते, क्यों करते, कैसे करते, कब कब करते, क्या क्या बोलते, कैसे करते, सब मैंने पूरा इंफॉर्मेशन लिया. देन आई स्टडीड इट. देन आई डिड द कोर्स. मैंने उसका कोर्स भी किया. हाउ टू क्रैक इंटरव्यूज, हाउ टू बी विद इंटरव्यूअर, हाउ टू behave, how to do each and everything with it. I did the course, I took the experience, I implemented it, and today I'm going to make a batch of college to corporate Y communication. इंटरव्यू क्रैक करने के लिए मेरे पास एक क्लास है, एक मेरा बैच है जिसमें खाली इंटरव्यू कैसे क्रैक करते वो बताने वाला हूँ मैं. एंड द फी इज व्हाट 5,000 रुपीज ओनली फॉर 12 days. तो मैंने जो मेहनत किया पास्ट में उसका मुझे आज रिजल्ट मिल रहा है. जस्ट अ मिनट प्लीज. ओके गाइस, सो रिमेंबर दिस. आपने जो पास्ट में किया है उसका आपको रिजल्ट फ्यूचर में मिलने वाला है. सो नेवर एवर हेजिटेट टू लर्न एनीथिंग. समझ में आ रहा है? कोई भी चीज कुछ भी रहने दो, हेजिटेट करना नहीं.
sir. Hello.
या या
आप जर्मनी में गए थे ना सीखने इंग्लिश?
या
तो
एग्जैक्टली.
आपको कितने दिन लगे इंग्लिश सीखने जर्मनी में?
हाँ, अभी आपने शायद मेरा पोस्ट पढ़ा नहीं. 2-4 दिन पहले मैंने लिखा था एक पोस्ट.
नहीं सर, व्हाट्सएप नहीं देखता मैं ज्यादा.
व्हाट्सएप ने, लिंक्डइन पे भी है, इंस्टा पे भी डाला मैंने, फेसबुक पे भी डाला, मेरे सब जगह डाला था.
मैं इंस्टा भी देख.
See, totally would like to tell you, I was there in Germany for 2.5 months. 2.5 महीने था मैं वहां पर. फॉर हाई लेवल इंग्लिश में उधर गया था ऑन स्कॉलरशिप.
आपको जाने से पहले इंग्लिश नहीं आनी है ना?
नहीं आती थी ना मुझे. उस वक्त में मैंने क्या किया था कि
नॉर्मल.
मैं इंग्लिश क्लास जब मैंने किया था ना नया नया,
तो आप
मुझे
इंडिया में ही
थोड़ा
सीखे?
आता. नहीं, मुझे एक्सेंट नहीं आता था, मुझे हाई लेवल का इंग्लिश भी नहीं आता था ना, मुझे ग्रामर के पूरे रूल्स आते थे. वो मैंने सब वहीं से सीख कर आया हूँ.
तो नॉर्मल आप लोग इंडिया में सीख के गए थे आप?
नॉर्मल तो मैं यहीं पे सीखा था बॉम्बे में.
तो आपको कैसे मालूम उधर जर्मनी कहाँ सिखाते परफेक्ट? अभी कैसा हमको मालूम.
मैं I was the 4th ranker amongst
हाँ
1,000 students.
भाई ने बोलते मेरे को.
हाँ,
हाँ, तो मतलब
1,000 स्टूडेंट्स का ये हुआ था, टेस्ट हुआ था, उसके अंदर 4th रैंक आया था मेरा. तो स्टार्टिंग के टॉप 10 स्टूडेंट्स को स्कॉलरशिप मिली थी, तो उसमें 4th रैंक मेरा था. तो वहां से मैं गया था जर्मनी. वहां पे मैंने एक्सेंट, हाई लेवल का इंग्लिश, वोकैबुलरी एंड ऑल, एंड IELTS का प्रिपरेशन मैंने वहां से किया था पूरा. तो 2.5 months में तो उन लोगों ने सिखाया था. और यहाँ पर मुझे जो लगा था वो लगा था अराउंड 6.5 और 7 months. सो टोटल मेरा जो जर्नी था, अगर आप लोग ऐसे घुमा कर अगर देखेंगे टोटल मेरे हिसाब से, इट टुक मी 11 months टू बी परफेक्ट.
अराउंड 1 year.
Around 1 year, you can say. Exactly. So this is it, what my dear. I would like to tell you, always remember, add values to the life. आपके लाइफ को वैल्यू ऐड कीजिए, बाकी चीजों को मत देखिए, कुछ भी मत कीजिए, वैल्यू ऐड कीजिए. मैं पहले बहुत चेज करता था कोई भी चीज को लेने के लिए. मेरी एक बात है, मैं बहुत बड़ा जिद्दी हूँ. इंग्लिश भी मेरी जिद्दी है.
भाई
इंग्लिश जो मैं आज यहाँ पे हूँ ना, ये भी मेरा जिद है. I've got insulted in my college. और वो इंसल्ट जो थी मेरे ना दिलो दिमाग पे बैठ गई वो.
भाई ने बोलते भी सर ये.
करेक्ट. प्रदीप के जैसे दिल पे बैठी ना, आता तीच पाहिजे आपल्याला. वैसा था मेरा इंग्लिश. है कि नहीं प्रदीप?
येस सर.
उसने छोड़ के गई, अभी उसका नंबर सबको देने वाला हूँ मैं. सबको देने वाला है. तिला फोन करा, रात्री फोन करा 12:30 वाजता. बघा मला सोडून गेली ती. हॅलो
शिवानी.
शिवानी. अब वो
Sir,
जो था मेरी शिवानी जो थी वो इंग्लिश थी. मैं बोला अभी इसने मेरे को धोखा दी है, अब मैं इसको छोड़ूंगा नहीं. मैंने इसको ऐसा पकड़ा कि उसको छोड़ा ही नहीं. या ओसामा कंटिन्यू.
सर बट प्राइस तो पूछते ही है ना हम सर, कहाँ पे भी जाएंगे सर. आपने ही उस दिन बताया सर, अभी सब्जी वाले के पास भी जाएंगे सर सब्जी लेने के लिए, तो उसको बिना प्राइस दिए देंगे नहीं ना सर पैसे. सर आप ऐसे भी बोल रहे हैं वैसे भी बोल रहे हैं सर.
हाँ सर
सर
बरोबर.
कंफ्यूज करते हैं हमको.
हाँ सर.
नहीं. अरे मैं आपको क्या बोल रहा हूँ, देखो
सर
सुनो.
आपकी बात सर एग्री हूँ मैं सर. वैल्यूज देंगे सर, आप सिखाएंगे उससे हमको
अरे
वैल्यूज मिलेगी.
नहीं,
बट
नहीं,
सर
मैं आपको एक चीज
प्राइस
बताता
भी
हूँ.
मैटर करती है सर.
आपको मैं आपको मैं एक चीज बताता हूँ. आपको पता
Sir,
है
actually they all are the students and they want to learn more from you on that
हाँ.
price only.
No, I'll tell you one more thing. मैं आपको मेरा एक बुक दिखाऊंगा. जस्ट अ मिनट, मैं अभी आपको दिखा देता हूँ.